my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda, and welcome. Today's video, I have my babe Rudy with me. You grabbing my long car, Rudy? I have my babe.
I like it
because you're gonna cause the freaking stretch marks. So I got my babe Rudy with me, and I have this really cool package, and I wanted to open it with my babe. So this is a new Mexican makeup brand, and I'm so freaking excited. So they reached out to me.
Sue somebody.
I know. So they reached out to me and asked me if they could send me a package, and I said hell yeah. So wait, let's do that.
Is that what you said, or were you like a huevo?
No. I was like, oh my god, thank you so much.
A huevo.
Look how cool this PR package looks me now.
Look at that. I've been thinking about getting that tattooed on my forearm.
I want you to give me a necklace.
Like that. I see.
And so we got the mazapan, Eileen's favorite. I can't. I never knew this was peanut butter until I was like reading it. And I got two.
I never knew that either, because it's like, who reads ingredients?
Yeah.
When it's Mexican candy, it's like.
Yeah. So I got two eyelashes. They sent me two styles. I got Lety.
Lety la sofisticada. The sophisticated one.
Ooh,
yeah, that's how you do it. Mira.
It says, Alexis, so excited for you to try AB. Thank you. Oh, that's so cute. I like. That's so cute. Thank you so much for your support. XOXO. Thank you. And they sent so many cute ass stickers, you guys. You guys know I love stickers. I freaking love. I like that. Concha. It's so freaking cute. And then Hecho en Mexico. You can have that one. And then we got were you obsessed with like Rey Mysterio or anything like that? Me and my brothers, we were obsessed with WWE Rey Mysterio. And my brothers had the mask and everything. When we went to Mexico and they got the like $30 ones, they hella hustled us out there.
Yeah, but no.
Relo. So that's so cute, and they hooked it up and they sent more than one. Hell yeah. So
I like it when y'all put candy in the boxes. It's like, oh, this is for me. Yay.
Yeah. So then here's the box right here. I'm so freaking stoked. Look at that. Oh, that's so freaking cute. It says, hola bebés. These are my favorites, all in one kit. Be sure to tag and hashtag selfie. That's so cute. Oh, so now technically I got 3 pair of lashes. That's so cool. This one is Grace. Oh, this looks so freaking cute. I got 2 brushes, and these feel super duper nice, Mina. They feel really nice. So we got 2 of them. One is, oh, how cute. This one says Chiquita blending brush. That is so freaking cute. And Grande blending brush. That's freaking cute, Mina, the Chiquita. That's so freaking cute. And then here is the eyeshadow palette right here. And then this is the Jalisco palette. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. It says beauty with passion. So thank you so much to Araceli. I haven't had hot Cheetos for a minute. When was the last time I had hot Cheetos? I had them on lemon and then I just hurt my pants off, remember? I'm serious. Why are you looking at me like that?
This is how you were talking. It sounded funny.
You're too rough, Pa.
Because I'm trying to get to it safely.
No.
It's for the video. Like, you were supposed to go forward and stuff. Learn how to be funny.
You. I was choking on the thingy.
I know. That's why it would have been funny. Cup, and it's like you still can't see me. I have to be like this. Like, why are you facing down?
I think because I'm shorter, so that's fine.
No, you're angled down. Like, why are you angling down?
I'm trying to do that. Okay, so next package is from Makeup Revolution. This has been so freaking amazing. So I always wanted to work with Makeup Revolution. Oh my gosh, I have so many amazing things. So they sent me a package and it says, hi Alexis, hope you enjoy these fall essentials for Makeup Revolution. From Makeup Revolution, share love at Makeup Revolution, Olivia. They sent me some really pretty palettes. Look at that one. That was gorgeous, right? Which one do you have? That one is pretty. And it just screams fall.
Look at all this stuff. I like when packages have so much stuff.
This one is beautiful. Look at that. Right? Ooh, that is pretty. This one is... Ah! That is cool. Oh my god. Look at that. Let me see. Put your hand out. Oh, that's pretty. This one looks pretty too. A ver, go like that. Oh, that is so pretty. I can't wait to put that to use. Hell yeah. Oh my gosh.
Did you show them this one?
No, I haven't got to that one yet.
Yeah, just kidding. There's a mouse.
Oh my god. Oh, this one's like even lighter one. This one I will put in a giveaway because this is a more lighter complexion. So I'm going to keep this one, and then I'll give you guys this one. So I'll put this separate for the giveaway.
Why?
I don't like wasting all of them. If I don't have to, I rip them in half.
Pero esta ya está usada and you put it back in there like, chill, te compro más. Like, relax.
This is for me. Oh, and then they sent me the Makeup Revolution Intense Long Wear Black Felt Tip Liner. Nice. And then I got the Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Hydrating and Plumping Spray. Can I spray your face?
I swear you almost hit me. Now I'm wearing a hat.
And then they sent me mascara, which is awesome. I'm always down to try a new mascara. These are the Makeup Revolution Eye Glisten. These
people ask me if I wear makeup on these videos.
Pretty.
Mira, watch out. Flawless beat.
Oh, that looks so pretty of it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, I thought it smelled like something, but no, it doesn't have. So this one's pretty. Look at that. That is, oh my gosh, do you see that? That is so pretty. I can't wait. Oh my goodness, this one. I really love a pretty champagne sort of like yellow gold. I love that. That is freaking gorgeous.
Is that your toe on me?
Yes. And then we swatched this one. Let's see. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Look how much they pop. That's so pretty. Like, especially like because the holidays are coming up. Sitting on Thanksgiving across from grandma looking flawless, you know?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous.
Hell yeah, stunting on grandma.
What's up, Grandma?
So pretty.
That is so gorgeous. So thank you so much to Makeup Revolution. The next one is from Winky Lux. Winky Lux was so sweet, and they slipped this for the Christmas tree. And this one is...
You just have too much in here, like chanclas.
Rose Glitter Bomb. Oh my god, I love their lipsticks. It's so pretty.
Let me see, this is cool.
Look at that.
Oh, dang.
I know. It's so pretty.
How does it go on, or what is it?
It's just like a lip gloss.
Oh, okay.
So that is freaking cute, and I love. I have their matcha balm. I love it. It just goes on like butter.
I like this. This is cute. Like for the Christmas tree, like little Christmas tree ornaments. Put it back. You can give it to like Angelica or something. Put on the Christmas tree.
Yeah, very cute. Next thing is this Winky Lux. This is a $28 item. So I'm thinking they sent me their Christmas stuff, huh? Like their Christmas like holiday kit, right? So this is the other one, and you open it up. It's really cute. And then in here you have two of their.
Did I bite this one? It feels like I bit one like that.
You better not.
No, but like,
bite
did
it.
I though?
I don't think so. This is
was
a
a different company?
transforming. Yeah, this is a transforming pH balm. You bit physician formula. But these are so pretty, and I love that they have the flower in them. Like I feel like that makes it so unique and so pretty. Mira.
Oh, what?
That's cool, huh?
Okay. Does it have any fibers in it? No fibers. That's good. It's good quality. Oh,
I
God.
barely got it. That's way. Oh my god. I was like, why would he? What?
Why would it? Let me
Why
see
would
that.
it?
That
Like,
looks cool though.
and then this is the Winky Lux Transforming pH Balm. And then this one is more like the holiday, like red, like Christmas, like, you know, being really cute. So this is like really cute. I like that. And it goes off your pH balance, so it could be like a lighter pink, a cooler pink. It just all goes off of like what your lips give off, what your body gives off. You should apply it to see like what kind of pH you have. Like it changes. Like it doesn't go on clear.
I got hot Cheeto pH. So like this is.
Don't do it. What the fuck? Who swatches lipstick like that?
Okay, because I'm just gonna know.
Oh my god.
You're lucky it didn't break all the
You're
way
lucky it didn't break.
So like that?
Yes.
Okay.
Estás pasando algo. The hell? Let me see.
I felt like it was gonna break. What did it change?
It's going pink. Like it went on clear. Like it's changing. Give it a minute. Damn. So thank you so much to Winky Lux.
This one? Okay.
Okay, so next package is from Winco.
Yo, you hungry?
this.
I know, that's what I was gonna say. Like, I'm gonna go get it after.
Next product is from Juno. Ah, look at that. That's so freaking cute. I love it when, oh my gosh.
Is it Junko or Juno?
Juno and Co. Oh, Juno
so
and
like
Co.
Juno and Company.
I always
right?
be like putting things together. So look how cute this is. It's like a cute little picnic basket, you know?
Yeah.
And it's
There's
like,
2 boxes. Do
surprise!
I get the other one?
Oh yeah, hold on, but let's unbox this one
Well,
first.
it's from the same company.
I thought these were legit strawberries. Oh my gosh, like I need help.
Those are cherries. They're not even strawberries.
Oh yeah, cherries. I always be mixing things up.
It is.
I dare you to bite it. This is so cute. I'm gonna go out like this. All right, so in here it says meet the Juno & Co. first ever multi-use face palette. We've created 2 grab-and-go compacts to make this effortlessly everyday no makeup look even easier. Fall in love with our ultra blendable pigments to highlight, contour, shimmer, and shade to your perfection. So they sent me 2, which I'm so freaking excited. So we're gonna see.
Another one.
What? I got 2 baskets?
Maybe that one's for a giveaway.
That's so cool. Okay, we'll do that. Yeah.
So
I was just gonna say, like, whichever one didn't fit me, I would give away and stuff.
We can send you guys a whole basket.
Look, you guys. So you guys will get your own. Oh, how cool! So we can be cool together.
I don't want to open it. Do you?
No. Don't open it. So let's see what we're gonna get, you guys. So here's the 2 palettes right here. You guys, I'm so freaking excited, and it's so cool that I got an extra, so I can give it to you guys. That makes me so freaking happy.
So happy.
Yeah, so you guys can be happy with me, you know?
Heck yeah.
Oh, mira, this is the Bombshell Perfectionist.
I wish there would have been snacks in that box, but...
Damn, you guys are going to be freaking excited.
What?
Look how beautiful that is. That is...
I like the Bombshell thingy.
Oh, that is pretty. Oh my gosh. It feels so buttery. Butter. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that blush is beautiful. What is this one? Let me see. That one's pretty too.
They're the same? No? Different?
No.
Are they different things? What are they?
That one is the light complexion. This one is like...
They all kind of like what are they though?
A
Brushes?
highlighter.
Highlights? Okay.
Blush. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that highlight. That is beautiful. Woo! So this one is Cherry Bomb. Yeah, this one's too light. I'd rather give it to somebody who can actually use it. So I will be putting this one in the giveaway as well. I'm trying to get better at that, you know, not just keeping things just because I want to keep it.
Yep, it's not real.
So thank you so much to Juno & Co. for sending me this amazing PR package. I cannot wait to use this. Thank you so much. That's so cool, huh? Look how nice that looks. Ooh.
What is that?
Okay, so next is this box right here. This is gonna be a good one. The Guess My Position formula. See, this is the one you bit the lipstick.
They got good lipstick.
So, shut up! I'm not putting that in. So this is the Physician Formula Ultimate Butter Collection, limited edition, 58 shades. So I've been seeing this go around, and I was really excited. I was like, oh my god, that's so cool! And then to get it is even awesomer.
Yeah, it's awesomer.
Oh my god! This is so cool! Mira.
Oh, that looks cool. Let me see.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Hold on. Look how cool that is. Look. Like, you know when you were a kid and you get like those layered makeup thingy?
Cool.
Oh my god.
Like, you know when we would walk by like JCPenney, the Sephora and stuff like that, and they have those like big things like that, like for the holidays and stuff? Like, oh, that looks cool.
Damn, look at that. Oh, it smells like butter. Look at that. Is that a mirror? Oh, shit.
Does it have little legs at the bottom too?
That is so freaking cool.
You're set. You just lay that on there.
Oh my gosh.
Go to work. Get yourself a whole new face.
Yeah.
That's dope.
So you got your lipsticks. You got your blushes over here.
You go from Maria to Mariah. Bitch, who are you?
And then you got your highlighters right there. And then you got your bronzers. That is freaking awesome. So, boom. Look at one and done. That is so cool. And then Physician Formula. They have
What's the name of it? That should be Bible. That's the Bible right there.
Oh, that's cute.
You know
that is so cool. I can't wait to use that.
I got all
I'm
these ideas,
use
alright? If you guys use that, I'm gonna need a cut.
That is so
You guys come up with a Bible and it's like that. It was my idea.
That is so cute. I like that they did that. I like that they weren't afraid to like come out with something. That is so cool. That is a nice gift packet to give to somebody. Like, they're not going to be disappointed because it's just like, this is like big girl status.
58
you know what I mean?
shades, limited edition set. I thought it had price, but no.
I know, me too. So this is the Precision Formula limited edition glow face butter palette, and it has 3 of them, which is freaking awesome. So you have your highlighting palette, which is gorgeous. Then you have your bronzing palette. Oh my god. And then you have your blush, highlighter, and bronzer.
What is it?
So that's so cool. Look at all 3 of those. So this one is the Physician Formula Brazilian Pout Lip Kit. That just sounds even cool. That's so cool. I really like their gift stuff. That is awesome. What's that one? This one looks cool. The Physician Formula Rose All Day Glow Squad Brightening and Tightening Kit. That, oh my gosh, look at
brightening and tightening.
This is so cool. So you got a cleanser, you have the oil-free serum, you have the eye cream, moisturizer, the illuminating setting spray, and the ultra rich restorative cream. That's awesome. So someone who wants to get into, you know, some skincare, taking care of their face, boom, you got a whole kit for them. Oh my gosh. So thank you so much to Physician Formula. I really enjoyed the package. So next package, let's see, is from, dun, 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 dun. Look how cool this is. Let me see. Okay, get in for thumbnail. Oh, move, man, move.
You just told me to get in for thumbnail.
Oh my gosh. You done?
How do you want? That's it? That's it? Yeah.
Let me see. Okay, so this is freaking huge. Oh my god. My arm. This is the Flawless by El Maquillage. Oh, okay. It says spoiler alert in there, okay? Can you guys see it? Oh yeah. Okay, keep pulling. Oh shit. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so awesome. Look at that. Do you guys see that? Oh!
Just hoping that I don't drop them all. Like.
Extra points if you throw in a hair flip. Oh, look it! You have a corrector. So the packaging on this feels really, really nice and very like, oh, fancy. I like how big it is and stuff. I like it when things are like that. But this is awesome. This feels good. I like that you can see the color in there. And there's 30 shades, which is awesome.
It's a very good display.
Ooh, that feels nice.
I like it.
Doesn't have any smell, which is good.
Do you want one of these?
Oh, cool. So it fits like right
perfect.
in the... Oh my god. They thought about a lot.
Yeah.
That is so cool. There's that one. I really like this so far. I can't wait to try it on my face. Those 2 swatches, I'm pretty like, okay, wow. The whole display, I'm even more wow. So I can't wait to try it out. A huge shout out to El Maquillage. Thank you so much.
How does it look back there? Yeah or nah?
Yeah, it looks pretty cool, to be honest. Last package is this package right here. I don't know how to pronounce this name, you guys, but it's a polygel nail kit. So this is an at-home nail kit. And here's the gels. And what you do, you apply it on here. And you get to like where you want it to stop, and you put it on, you hold it 1, 2, 3, and then you pop it off and your nail's done. So there's no like having to mold it on your finger. Sent me that, and I thought that was really cool because they seen that I applied some other nails. So they sent me their kit and they asked me if I could try it out. So I was like, okay, yeah, I'll try it. So that looks pretty neat. And they sent me like the base coat, a bunch of cool stuff. So I can't wait to put this to use. They sent me their brush, which I'm pretty excited because I've always been weird with what is it called, pa? Look how nice this looks. Woo.
You guys go to the nail salons? Do you guys go to Mexican nail salons, Asian nail salons? What do you prefer?
I can't wait to try it. So thank you so much. Hey loves, so our camera died, so I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, but I will continue the makeup unboxing in a later video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to thumbs up this video. Make sure to check out my babe's channel and make sure to enter the giveaway so you guys can win some goodies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.